my my friend Mr. Mirda, Justice Mirda, Dr. Chaudhary, learned counsel present here, ladies and gentlemen, we have to start the award ceremony, and thereafter, I think it is followed by dinner. I would not have minded if you were delayed for dinner, but as far as awards are concerned, they are anxiously awaited. Therefore, the topic which I had chosen, I am changing it to another. My topic was media trial, but I will very briefly speak what I think to be justice. What is justice? I give you only one example, one illustration. There is a famous film star, Salman Khan. Some time back, he was alleged to have driven a car under the influence of liquor and passed over a few of the pedestrians. Obviously, the media was very hostile. The matter landed up in court as it ought to have landed. And the court also gave the verdict that Salman Khan was guilty. Now, as far as the victims and their family, the general public were concerned, they all said justice has been done. But Salman Khan's friends and family said, no, it's a great injustice. He is so good a man. He was not the one who was driving. It was his driver who was driving the vehicle, etc., etc. Question is, was the justice done? The matter moves to appellate court in Bombay. And the Bombay High Court takes the view that Salman Khan could not be proved guilty of the charge. So the appeal was allowed and he was acquitted. Now Salman Khan's friends and family, his fans, say it is justice which has been done. Victim's family and few members attached to them said, prosecution said, it's a great injustice. Third context was, as far as the victims were concerned, their families say, members of the family, we are not concerned whether Salman Khan is punished or not punished. We were promised compensation. That compensation is the justice for us. It has not been paid, so justice has not been done. So, what was the injustice? Was justice conviction of Salman Khan? Was justice acquittal of Salman Khan? Was justice payment of compensation to the victim's family? According to our perception, justice cannot keep traveling. I will take the view, no, justice has not been done. Dr. Chaudhary will take the view, no, justice has been done. Justice Mehta is very much always concerned with compensation and justice. He will say, no, compensation ought to have been paid. It can't be like that. Though to set our anxiety at rest, I would say, and I think most of you will agree with me, I don't say all of you will agree with me, that if a decision is reached according to law which is relevant have been made by us. By us, I mean whether it is parliamentary law or it is law made by legislature. Both are made by our representatives. So the law which Prime Minister Modi makes is not his law. It's our law, whether we have given him vote or we have not given him vote. If that, according to that law, a person has been correctly adjudged as guilty, then he is guilty. And justice ought to be said to have been done, no matter whether I take a view different from what a judge takes. If the judgment is not according to law, then we have to say that it is not justice. I would, as I said earlier, not prolong your paying for injustice, and therefore close my address and leave all of you to enjoy the awards which are being very anxiously awaited. Thank you.